Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create messenger group. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. And if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your messenger and then log in with your account. So I'm using my Android version, so I'm gonna be, let's say, going with accordingly. So now what you need to do is just go to your top right corner to this option, and now just press on group chat. And now to create a group, firstly just name your group. So let me just go with hellos, and then choose the people that you want to include in your group, like this, and then you can even search any more, and then just create a group. Just press on create and it will be created like this. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.